You were my pain relief, just like a leaf. My bones weaken when we're speaking, heart is up to speed. I've been torn, but now I'm reborn. Followed my past, looked up to this chump, cause I thought he had class. Infatuated by his looks, will this pain ever pass? Will I get over you, is the question that I ask. Will I get over you, is the question that I ask.
Will I get over you, is the question that I ask.
Yes, I did. When I realized you have a kid, not one but two, and a wife without a clue. How you gonna live a double life when you got a fucking wife? Must have been ladies' night, easy way for you to strike. It wasn't love and marriage, it was sex and carriage. You're an alcohol abuser, you should have been a condom user. College days are over, you're not 22. You got so much baggage, you can't get through to JetBlue. You say you can see us together in 10 years or so. By then your son will be 18, then me and him could roll. I won't need you by that time, you thought I'd wait that long? Ain't no man worth waiting for, is the name of the song. When I saw you with that girl, my camera just flashed. We were in the same pose, paparazzi caught your ass. You fucking with them hoes, you think nobody knows. That's what happens when you let your ego explode. Paparazzi spot ya, ha ha ha, I caught ya. Paparazzi spot ya, ha ha ha, I caught ya. I used to chase after you like Coyote and Roadrunner. Now I sit back and laugh like I'm watching Dumb and Dumber. So you slept with 50 chicks, huh? The big 5-0, Mr. Patroller, ho, you gotta go. It's okay to say no, you said you'd leave her, but I know you never will. Cause that name across your chest isn't for me to fulfill. How you gonna erase it when you can't even face it? You're constantly wasted. I name you X-rated, I can't believe that we dated. I must have been faded, high as hell off your spell. Hope your ego burning hell. I've been doing some voodoo, boo-boo. Can't you tell? I bet that penetration sensation burns as well. Ooh, thought I'd never get over you. You don't know what my voodoo can do. And your wife, that bitch ain't got a clue. You're a hoe and info, down low, out of control. Ain't my type of dude. You're a hoe, ho. This is why 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 you're a hoe. If you didn't like, you shouldn't have put no damn ring on it. If you didn't like, you shouldn't have put a damn ring on it. If you didn't like, you shouldn't have put a damn ring on it. Damn ring on it. Damn ring on it. If you didn't like, you shouldn't have had kids with this dumb bitch. If you didn't like, you shouldn't have kids with this dumb bitch.
It's called birth control.
If you didn't like, you shouldn't have had kids with this dumb bitch.
It's called a condom.
With this dumb bitch. Now your life's a fucking mess, just like the rest.